Well, friends, hello everyone. Glad to see you on the channel again. Today we are trading on the Pocket Option brokerage platform again. The registration link will be in the pinned comment. And today we have a simple strategy. We will analyze support and resistance levels, find reversal points. Well, that is, we will do everything that we usually do: trade and earn. Let's start today with 100 bucks. Let's open the first transaction amount of $10. Let's open a purely test position. First analyze the chart. So, to begin with, we switch to a higher time frame, take 5 minutes. I have already said many times that when you trade options, 5 minutes will be enough for a full analysis. We do not need to predict, for example, an hourly movement. 1 minute is enough for us to make a profit. But at the same time, we need to analyze the chart correctly. So, we are looking for a situation. It is desirable to look at those moments where the price works from the support level and the resistance level, that is either a sideways trend, either ascending or descending, but the price must necessarily touch the exact levels. So, we are looking for, well, look, let's say, on this asset we can clearly see that the price trend is descending, and here we can set the support level, we adjust here, insert the resistance level. It turns out to be the following, and we look closely at the previous touches that occurred on this chart. That is, each time we have reversals from the support level. And in fact, immediately after the touch, the price reverses. Accordingly, we can conclude that the next time when the touch occurs again, we can also get a rollback movement in the opposite direction. So, now the price is again at the support zone. As in the previous time, reversals occurred here. So, we zoom in on the chart. And let's open the first position for $10 for 1 minute at the end of this candle. Here we expect a rollback upwards and look at the result. So, friends, our first position ended in net plus. As you can see, we have rolled back upwards from the support level. And in general, we did everything correctly. We received a net profit of $8 on top. Therefore, we move on to the next currency pair, and there we will open a more serious position. So, friends, we will open the next deal on this asset. Here we have a support level, which the price is approaching now. Look at the last and penultimate touch. From this level, there was a rollback upwards. The general trend was downward. And now the price will try to break through this support level again. As you can see, a rollback movement is taking place. Let's switch to the March time frame. And here we will open a position for a fall. You can even open at this point. That is, the general trend is downward. After the correction at this point, we have a repeated touch of this support level, and the price now intends to break through it. That is, the strength of buyers, or rather sellers, has accumulated, and now they will try to break through this level on the second attempt. In general, we are waiting for the result. So, friends, $207 on our balance. Our second position also ends in plus. The volatility on the asset was quite good, given that the price was right at the level, and that is why we had such volatility. So, we set the amount of $207 and move on to the next asset. So, we will open the next deal on this asset. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. The position is immediately on the rise. We are on a 1 minute time frame. And here I immediately notice a good situation. I didn't even have to switch to a 5 minute time frame. So, here after the downward movement. Let's analyze the situation in more detail. At first, the trend was upward. Then the price reaches the resistance zone. And from the resistance zone we already see a rollback. We roll back to the previous support level. By the way, at this point we see the first time the price tried to break through. There was a rollback, and already on the second attempt it breaks through it. Then we see a rollback, but the level has already come into play and the price is also reacting to it. That is, this level is touched again and we opened for the continuation of the upward trend. It will be short term, but this will be enough for us, so literally 8 seconds until the end, and now we will fix the profit again. Total $398 on the balance. We set this amount and move on. So, friends, let's work with this asset. Here, as you can see, I have set support and resistance levels, and the price here is in a sideways channel. It is at our maximum. From the resistance level, we can safely open a position for a decrease. We pay attention to the previous candle. It closed with a huge shadow from above. There is pressure from sellers in this area, so we expect a similar reaction and wait for the result. So, friends, our deal ended in net plus $728 on the balance. Excellent result. This is such a simple strategy, or rather, trading we got today. I hope that the situations that I was able to analyze today are clear to you and you will be able to use them in the future, because, friends, everything on the market is repeated. In general, thank you all for watching. See you soon.